Hello, Clearbrow, North Dallas, Toyota Tacoma 2026 model Trail Hunter. So here's the Toyota Tacoma in a off-road edition with some suspension, different wheels, tires, Nerf bars or frame protectors, whatever you want to call that. It's got a snorkel on it that actually works. It's functional. And a few other things, some skid plates, different types of lights. What else we got? And some cool things back here in the bed. It's more like a commercial now for Toyota, but it's got a compressor in here that's pretty cool. You can turn that on and it's under there and it pump up your tires and stuff. But really, really interesting. So let's take a look at what we do at Clearbrow, North Dallas. We wrap the whole truck in paint protection film, XPEL Ultimate Plus, 8 mil thick, ceramic coated, and that's all we did to this. So it's a full wrap. The guy brought it to us for our custom installs where we wrap all the edges so it doesn't appear that there's any film on the car. And we remove all the badges so there's no lines around them, you know, all that type of stuff. So everything just looks really clean. So let's take a quick look at what we got here. So all these little lenses are covered, headlights, all the paint. You'll see here where we wrap all these edges. See all the corners. This is your hood, your driver fender, all wrapped in. Super nice. Hood's done beautifully. No adhesive marks, no mishandling of the film, no stretching, marks from stretching it. These little badges are just taped on from the factory. They come off, we put 2-way tape, right back they go. You'll see up here, this comes off. No lines on any of this, where this A-pillar came in. No lines at the base of it, or where this molding was for your windshield. All wrapped in 100%. So this car literally is wrapped on every edge, so you don't see any film. Handles came out nicely. You'll see there's no edges. This molding comes off, no edges. This rubber comes off, no edges, all wrapped into the door. Here's our line where we wrap to. You can see it if you look. Roof's 100%, fully wrapped. We did 10 mil up there. We did 8 mil on the hood. We did 10 mil on the doors. The guy wanted some extras. 8 mil where it gets kind of complicated. 8 mil's thick enough, but he goes off-road, so the 10 on the roof will help him with tree branches and things. 8 will withstand a lot, but 10's even more. That's 10 mil thickness. Taillights came out, no edging at all. These black things, they come up, no edges at all. Everything looks fantastic. We did not take this apart. We just came in real close. Everything looks super good. Everything's underneath this plastic shroud. And again, much more the same here. Taillight came out. Everything's 100% underneath, fully wrapped in. These come off real easy. Everything's down about 2 inches below this piece. So he's covered 100%, I can tell you that. He would have to wreck it or hit something pretty substantial to go through that PPF. It's super tough stuff. I use it on all my own personal cars, and I get a lot of customers that call me back and let me know what goes on, and this stuff holds up to a lot. So there it is. 2026 Trail Hunter, full wrap with XPEL's paint protection film for the best protection. Let us know if we can help you. ClearbrowNorthDallas.com. Our email, ClearbrowNorthDallas@gmail. Phone, 214-414-3809. Cell, 940-703-8301. I'm Brent. Follow us, like us. Let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.